Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create an employee schedule using Google Calendar in just 5 simple steps. Also I'll cover when it's time to upgrade to something more powerful. So Google Calendar is free if you are using Google Workspace. It is easy to share with your team and it's way faster than paper schedules. But it lacks advanced scheduling features like availability, roles, and shift swaps. So those are the advantages and disadvantages quickly. So first, you need to create a separate calendar just for your work scheduling. Click the plus sign uh, next to the other calendars and choose create new calendar. All right. So click this one. Name it something like employee schedule or something. And next, now we need to share this calendar with your employees. So click the three dots next to the calendar and you can find this here. Just click this. Then you choose settings and sharing and scroll to share with specific people. So click here, search for people, then citizen sharing, and then just share with your team. Now, to avoid any schedule conflict, add employee time off as events. You can label them clearly like mark PTO or have employees block out their own calendars with out of office settings. Right. Then click and drag to create events for each shift. Use the employee's name in the title and add them as guest so they will see it in their own calendar. Some pro tip. So to schedule multiple employees for one shift, add them all as guest. Then click save. If employee works the same shift weekly, make it recurring. Click the shift, uh, then pencil icon, and then choose does not repeat to the frequency you want. Now, Google Calendar works best for basic scheduling, but it gets messy fast with larger teams. That's where a tool like BuddyPen, this one here, can really help you. So you can use BuddyPen to drag and drop shifts, set employee availability, and handle shift trades automatically. And that's it. That's all there is to it for this video.